Good morning. Welcome to pre-market report. Welcome to pre-market report on 1st of November 2022. So today, we'll see global markets are bullish, and yesterday, as we reported in our special video on Nifty, it's already broken the levels. Okay, so on weekly time frame, Nifty is crossing 18,000. So likely the market to be bullish. So XGS Nifty is crossed 18,150 yesterday, and even today it is indicating around 100 to 150 points of gap up. So expected market to move higher on this today, on intraday. So if you see the open interest indicating there are huge call buying up to 18,450, and the people think the market will not break the all-time high. So you can see a lot of unwinding in here in put side. So once the market reach 18,400 to 500, we can see the call selling at the same time put option buying. So you can see here, so because after 18,550 the more calls are written, so expected it will return back to 18,000 once it reached 18,400. The same case, if you look at the Bank Nifty you can see buying seen up to 42,000. After that you can see the selling started. So after 42,000 you may see some reversal up to 400 to 500 points in Bank Nifty. So in case of intraday chart, you can see, so this is a daily time frame. So Nifty crossed your your 200-day moving average. It's crossed by 50-day moving average, and Nifty is likely to be bullish, and it is have broken the trend line. So expected to reach 18,600. Once it crossed 18,600, then sure we can see 19,000 in Nifty. But global cues are everything should support to reach this one, because even I think yesterday there is some news regarding this war news in Russia. So expected to some sell off once the market open gap up. May again Nifty may come down to 18,050 or 60. So once it is opening on 18,150, it may come down. It will break 18,100 because of this global cues. If you look at the Bank Nifty, it is not still broken the trend line. So 40 maybe today gap up, it may open above 41,500, but again it will come back, and once the 42,000 is broken, then the next will be the 43,500. Okay, so but you can see in Bank Nifty open interest up to 42,000 we have seen call buying, then they started selling. So expected to reverse for some more time, but overall the market will be bullish. Even you can see in weekly time frame, so market shows it is bullish. Okay, because these are the resistance zone. It was broken yesterday, so expected to move towards 19,000. Hope global cues will support to the market and it will move further. And very important, for intraday traders, as I am regularly indicating, the VIX is getting low. You can see the VIX is started getting low and low. So this may reduce the volatility in market. Okay, this may reduce the volatility in market, and sure it will be a seller market, but don't try straddle. Okay, you try some other option strategies on selling, so this may give a good profit, because there everyday gap up, or you can go for a spreads that may give good profit. So hope you enjoy watching video. Like Demat and trading account opening link is given in description. You can make use of it, and you can open a free Demat and trading account with Allies Blue and just 15 rupees brokerage. And like workshop details are given in website address is given in description, and you can open this account. And those who are not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a regular updates. Okay, so thank you friends, thank you for watching.